Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon in bright white. With LED reflector headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, body color 3-piece hardtop, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 39,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, Alpine 9-speaker premium audio, Rock Track heavy-duty part-time 4-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7278.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.